Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. This is another update video on my channel called Passive Income Platforms. Today is Sunday, July the 2nd, 2023. Before we get started, I just want to remind all of you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I am crank out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. Now, if you like this content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going here on my channel called Passive Income Platforms, please make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. Always remember to invest as much as you can afford to lose. And as a disclaimer again, nothing on my channel is a financial advice nor the legal advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Again, FINTOCH by far is one of my favorite ones. So I'm going to talk about FINTOCH. People, they were just messaging me if I can show you guys how to add FTC chain network into your Trust wallet. I showed in my previous videos uploaded a couple days ago in MetaMask, so I'm gonna show you on Trust wallet as well. So let me just mirror my iPhone screen to get the parameters needed first. Just 1 second, please. Okay, so let me just open up the FINTOCH app. So these are the parameters that we need. So we're gonna go to home, then we're gonna go to this announcement of FinSwap official launch, and all the parameters needed is here. Let me just reload it again. I guess the network is busy. One more time. Yeah, the network is poor. I can switch the network here. Click on this switch. You see the network I'm on is 139. Actually 146. I'm gonna choose this 146. Just click on it. The network would be switched off. Switch to the new one with the better speed. Then I'm going to go here to announcement, click on this one. Okay, here we go. Right, so I showed you how to change the network to get a better speed, right? Okay, so once the FinTouch app is released, is launched, they announce the parameters over here if you want to add FTC main chain network into our wallet, right? So I'm gonna copy these one, right? Copy all these to add it to basically to my Trust Wallet app as I'm showing you now. Okay, let me just put this one aside for now. Okay, let's go to the Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet, I can click on the Chrome extension. So you could go to trustwallet.com and add it as your Google Chrome extension, right? So over here, I don't have, if I go to network, sorry, let's go to the wallet. If I open up the networks over here, so I have some default networks, Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon, Smart Chain, so on and so forth. I have all these networks, right? But I don't have the FTC chain network on my Trust wallet. So how can I add it? It's easy. From here, from these tabs, I can choose the network, drop down list, and manage network, or I can come to settings, add network, right? Click on this network and add custom network, right? So this is the list. I have nothing else. Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon, and Smart Chain. So I'm gonna click on add custom network. If I click on add custom network, it's gonna take me to this page. So I'm gonna put all the information needed here as per the company's announcement right here. So these are the information needed that I was showing you from the company, right? So I copy and paste all those infos here. The RPC URL from the announcement tab, right here, paste. The chain ID, again, copy from FINTOCH app to here, paste, symbol, copy, paste, and block explorer, copy, paste, right? And we're gonna put the name, just, you know, whatever you like. So it's, I'm gonna call it FTC main chain, right? Or whatever, you know, you like. So it's, I call it FTC main chain. So add custom network. So as you may see here, it's been added to the variety of the network that I used to have, FTC main chain. Yeah, and if I want to delete, I can click on this one and delete the network. So now I'm going back to my Trust Wallet Chrome extension right here. So let me just close this one. Sorry, let me just close this tab. Go back to my Chrome extension. So it should be added already. So if I click on this drop down menu, here you go, FTC main chain. I can click on this, choose this one, and now my wallet is based on FTC main chain, right? If I click on this Ethereum, my wallet is based on Ethereum network, Ethereum chain, blockchain. I'm gonna choose FTC blockchain with those parameters given by company in the announcement tab. So now my Trust Wallet is based on FTC main chain. This is how you're able to add FTC blockchain into your Trust Wallet. In the previous videos, a couple days ago, I showed you how you can add it into MetaMask, and this is a Trust Wallet, right? By the way, you are able, this is, I did this on my desktop. You can do it the same procedure, exactly the same thing. If you have Android phone, you can do it the same thing on your Android smartphone. But for iPhone users, we are not able to do that on our iPhone because the app on iPhone is not updated and is not supporting this feature, right? So for iPhone users, we have to wait until the basically they add it into the Apple Store. But for Android and desktop, it's easy. I showed you how you can do it. Okay, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you how easy you are able to add this network into your Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section below. Otherwise, I have my Telegram link in the channel, my Telegram channel link down in the comment section below. You can be part of my Telegram channel. I'm talking about some other opportunities over there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the ring bell to notify when I upload a new video and talk about some other opportunities. It's a pleasure to be able to bring incredible platforms like FINTOCH to help you guys to increase your portfolios, diversified, and earn potentially additional stream of income. Please make sure don't over leverage yourselves and stay safe. See you at the top.